Okay, yan. Biyahe ulit. Okay, good side na ako. O, si Kapsi. Okay.
Bye, guys!
Yeah. Not bye. Okay, bye. Okay, biyahe ulit.
Anime time. Oopsie, I'm okay. Mom, you should watch the video when it's done.
Which one?
Of Clover running away. It's on Daddy's phone.
Turn right on Leva Avenue.
Copy, are you okay? Buksan mo muna yung bintana kaya ng pangkape. Para makaano siya. Hold on. Divya, D-I-V-Y-A Sutra Plaza.
Okay.
You see it?
Oh, I do. How nice.
Is it nice?
Cute.
At the roundabout, take the second exit to Leva Avenue. In 900 meters, enter the roundabout.
Sarado mo na na. Ha? Sarado mo na, tapos na siya. What is the doctor said when she does that?
She's been panting since the beginning. Yeah, right?
What?
She's always been like this. Is it facing her? Face.
Down.
Kapsi, what happened? Kapsi, are you okay?
I thought you were covering her mouth. Like,
Did you bring her food? Yeah. You want chicken?
no, Mommy, why did you say that so
Ay, din. Meron pang punas sa mga ganito. Oh, meron pa siyang wipes.
Where's the tissue?
Oh, nako, where's the tissue? Where you put tissue?
Meron man siya.
It's cold?
Yeah, but
You may put a little bit higher.
Highway 11 East. At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Where are we? Right here? Here?
At the roundabout, take the second exit to Highway 11 East.
I think Toby's head is making me allergic.
Continue on 67th Street.
Ganda ng weather. Araw. View niya. Green na green. Pero pag winter, snow ang nakikita, puti. Ganda. Parang palay lang, oh. Dilaw. Yeah. 6 kilometers na lang yung pupuntahan namin, ano. Ito na yun, ride. Roller coaster. Yan ba? Roller coaster. Okay, medyo ano. Medyo rough-road ang daan. Parang papuntang ano lang. Parayo. Ito ang unang ano, punta namin. Canyon. Canyon Ski Resort. Yeah. Unang ano, destinasyon. Canyon Ski Resort.
Wait, what? What canyon thing?
Remember we came here?
Yeah, last time kaya lang hindi tayo nakabook eh.
What are we doing?
Yeah, go right in the kasi di mo ba nakita ba? Wala ka ba? Ay, is ate here?
No, Ate didn't go. It was just us.
Oh, yeah, hindi ka kasi bumaba.
Wait, are we going out of the photo?
Yeah, hindi mamaya alauna pa yun eh. Kaya kain muna tayo. Tama.
Oh, I just eat.
Oh, tignan mo yun oh. Ang ano
Hello?
bukan.
Dato yan, papasok kami to yan.
Nakatanong kayo ba?
Papasok kami dito ikwan.
Nakarating na ba kayo?
Nakarating kami.
Ay, nandiyan na kayo? Oh, mabilis kaya.
Sige,
Kami
may...
mo din sa kayo na nakita mo eh.
Ay, adata kayo nakaparada nga rin?
Nakaparada ka yan?
It's just a
It's
slide.
like a coaster. No, not that. No, that's a different thing. Do you want to go this way?
Do we have to climb up?
Ayun na ba? Ayun na, Jada.
No.
Jada.
Can I stay in the
Kumakaway-kaway
car while you
sila.
guys eat?
Ha?
Can I stay in the car?
Yeah, we have to eat here.
Okay, because I just ate.
Ah, did you eat?
Yeah, I ate my food.
Pwede mo naman na yung ate o rayante kayo misuda. Suda yung muna na magayam.
Oh, they're so cute. Wait, I have to change. Wait, also I need to find my Ulahem exit. I think it fell. Wait, where are the dogs gonna be?
Oh, here, maybe.
Here.
Wait, let's stay with the doggies.
Tito, ano, Lola. Lola is not coming. Oh, that dog can stay outside there.
I don't think she'll be able to handle both of them.
No, Tito, ano?
Okay, nakarating ka namin dito. Kakain muna. Kain muna. Oh. Where's Kapsey? Kapsey, where are you? Ariko. See? What happened, Vince? Kapsey?
No.
Put the list on ako.
Daddy did help me eat before we left.
Oh, sorry ka.
Ay, di pungat. Di sa bali mambayad
Oh. Katano kami, hindi mo na nga stop over.
Sa bali mambayad naman natin. Tibayad tayo lang, gilugan nga niya. Hindi ko na dyan.
Ay, first time nilito nga mo kayam. Pasyar. Oh, Clover.